guys, Pupsy here.
So I actually was going by Pressed Juicery and I saw that they had this new exciting shot. It's called Relax. Ooh la la, what's in here? They had lemon, chamomile, green tea, and lavender, which pretty much said everything that I think is very delicious. And I'm like, yes, I do need to relax. So I'm gonna open this guy up and tell you how it tastes. But right off the bat, I think it's gonna be pretty delicious. Wow. Okay, I don't know why I was assuming it would be sweet. There's like nothing sweet in here. Yes, I have no idea why I thought this would be like some delightful little sweet drink. It definitely is a shot, like 1 or 2 chugs and you're good. But I don't know, it's okay. I think actually when things are sweet all the time, maybe it's not so good. So yes, I like this. Alright guys, well that's it. I just saw this new exciting shot and I wanted to try it with you. Alright, I hope you're all having a fabulous day or night as it is now. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye!